So I went ahead and picked up another unit from Amazon Prime. She was $37 and her name is Harper. All right, so y'all, this is Harper straight out the package on my head, but y'all know we're gonna run it back, okay? This is how Harper came. This is how she came packaged. This is by the brand Outre. This is their series Melted Hairline, and look at this hairline, y'all, okay? This is her straight out the package. It's very curly. It's very bouncy. It doesn't have too much shine. Y'all, I'm in love. Oh, this is the inside construction of the unit. It's not a full lace frontal wig. This is a side part unit only. You only can part in that little side area. And I'm going to flip it inside out so you guys can see it in its entirety. It does come with three combs in total. And it does have an elastic band in the inside. This is the back, okay? Y'all already know I don't really show the back of the hair, but I just put it on my mannequin head so you guys can actually see what she is given. And let's just do another up close view of this hairline, because baby, they plucked the heck out of this. So I'm not gonna pluck this unit today, y'all. We're just gonna install her right out of the package. She looks so dang good. Okay, look at her. First, I'm gonna go ahead and tint the lace. You have to tint the lace unless you're the exact skin tone of the lace as it comes. But if not, you're going to have to tint it. I'll leave my favorite tinting spray that I use in the description section below. I'm going to go ahead and seal that in with some hairspray. And we're going to add some hot heat to it to secure everything down. This is what the tinting does, y'all. Y'all see how well that blends into my forehead? That is what you are looking for. Y'all, we're gonna go ahead and hot comb this hair. I do not use any wax when I do this, and I do put my hot comb on the number 5. So if you get this hot comb or you have this hot comb, put it on number 5 because you don't want to change the texture of the hair. If you put it on a higher heating setting, it will make the hair more silkier. I've done it, okay? But if you want to keep the same texture of hair as it comes, just keep it light on the heat, okay? I'm just gonna go in and cut off the lace, the extra lace that I am not needing at all, okay? I try to get pretty close to the hairline because, like I said, the less lace that I have left, it's just easier for me to blend it in. That's just my personal opinion. You could do what you want, you could do what you like, but this is just pretty much how I do it. I'm just going in with my Got2b glue spray to secure down the unit. And when I do have like frontals, I love to work in sections. So I will secure down the middle section and then I will work from right to left to make sure everything is down and in place. Now I do put my blow dryer on a cool heating setting and I let the product get tacky before I lay it down. And if it feels sticky, it's time to lay it down. If you dry it anymore, it will just harden and you have to start all over. So just make sure that the product is nice and tacky so it can adhere. Now I do about 1 to 2 sprays. It depends on the setting. As you guys can see, I'm using Got2b glue today. That means I'm going to be under the AC. If I know I'm not going to be under the AC, I'm going to use my Ebin lace tint spray because baby, that's going to hold you. It's going to hold you, okay? But this Got2b glue, it will lift in that heat. I cannot. So now I'm just going in with my cream foundation and baby, I want this to blend. As you guys can see, it's a good amount of blend right here. It looks super good, but there are some areas that just look like, So I put a little bit of cream foundation on there and we're gonna pin it up and add my elastic band. And I'm gonna let my band sit for about 10 minutes tops, okay? And then we're gonna take it off and see what that does to this unit. All right, let's look. Let's look. Y'all see that? That's what I was talking about. You don't have no elastic band. I cannot, kid you not. This elastic band changed the game for me. It just pushes the product into your hairline and make everything look seamlessly. It looks like this is coming out of my head, okay? Baby, you can't tell me nothing, okay? But anyway, y'all, I'm going to take the hair out and pull it to the front because I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do with it. But y'all, look at this. Look at the curls. I'm like, okay, this is about to be a look. But now I'm just going to go in and straighten up the part. Like I said, this is not a full lace frontal, so you can't part anywhere on this unit. You only have that section on the side to part. So y'all know when I have side parts, I like to do a little swoop. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but I like to do a little curve in the front just so it won't be so bland. And I'm just defining the part as well. So now I'm just using my hold gel to swoop my baby hairs. I pretty much freehand my baby hairs. I've never tried to curl my synthetic unit to do my baby hairs. I probably would try that in an upcoming video just to see how and if it would work. But I'm just going to go ahead and, give my edges some little, just a little bit of oomph. You also can use Got2b glue gel to do this as well. That gel, Got2b glue gel with synthetic unit, it goes hand in hand. I definitely 100% recommend that gel. And also, baby, your edges ain't going nowhere with that gel. So yeah, y'all, one thing I noticed about this unit, I forgot, I'm just thinking of it now. I wouldn't say that this unit is big head friendly. I actually had to cut out the band inside of the lace to make the wig fit. So when I tried to put the wig on with the band on the inside, it did not fit. It was snug and it was hurting. So I cut the combs out and I cut the elastic band out, and it definitely fit around my head. And it wasn't snug and tight like it was before. But it is a small, constructed wig. So do be mindful of that as well. So now I'm just going to go in with my hot comb one last time to just give it a little bit of oomph. Y'all, I really love the texture of this hair because it's really giving, it's giving me my natural hair, okay, blown out and with some beautiful curls in there. So I love, 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 love this wig. So I am going in to detangle the hair for the first time. And I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I did get some snags and tags here and there. And it just... Y'all, just be mindful. This unit was $37, so you really get what you pay for. But I would just really say patience is key. Just take your time. Make sure you just gently tangle, pull out the knots or pull out the tangles if you get them, because, baby, you're going to get them. And, baby, you can be good to go. Now, I always use a wide tooth comb when I'm first going in to detangle any unit because I want to extend the longevity of the curls, okay? So don't use your brush. Don't use no brush. My personal opinion. Now, if you want the curls looser, use your brush. But if you're trying to maintain the curls, use a wide tooth comb. I'm just framing it. I'm trying to figure out how I want to wear it today. And this is going to be pretty much it to this video. This is the end of the video. I did get shedding. I forgot to mention that, but this unit did shed here and there. But overall, y'all, I'm in love with Harper. Let me know what you guys think. I feel like she is, look at her, y'all. You could dress her up, dress her down, wear it to a festival, shopping. Y'all, this is your girl. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.